Green Processing Company, Inc.
Green Processing Company is an industrial recycling company and container management company located in Windsor, Ontario, Ohio, and Texas as well. What makes us very unique as a recycling company is that we handle a number of different plastics, whereas a lot of recycling companies might handle one or two varieties, we handle about 25. We bring in mixed materials, sort them, and then send them to our production lines where the plastics are shredded and ground into a size that can be used in injection molding throughout North America. I'm lucky to have great customers, many of them I call friends, but also I'm lucky to be in a business where I work with two of my best friends, Moet Nair and Samir Farhat, great business partners, and we push each other to expand and to create value. We operate 24 hours a day, 5 to 6 days a week right now in 4 different locations. So it's an extremely busy facility, hundreds of trucks in and out every month, and a lot of neat stuff going on.
Valiant Corporation.
The global headquarters are located in Windsor, Ontario, which reveals what our roots are. Mike Soltz set up the operation back in 1959, so this is our 55th year in operation. He built the operation up basically from nothing to where we're at today. We're a $500 million company. We're in 12 countries. We have 25 facilities. Our customers basically have global platforms. The vehicles they build anymore service the many different theaters of operation, so to speak. And so you have to be there with them. The North American operations has about 800 of our people, and there's about 800 people also located in Europe. We have electronic engineers, we have software engineers, we have mechanical engineers, and they're really the core strength of the operation itself. They're our best salesmen. I mean, these are the guys that are in the plants day in, day out, when they're out installing equipment in the different plants and facilities. The Valiant culture is transparent and connects with our people, and that's why our customers like doing business with us.